All right, let's get started. Hello, hello, everyone, or hello, one person who's here. Thank you for coming in. Uh, Feel free to put your any comments in the chat if you want to, or if you're just here to hang out, then that's good too. Thanks for coming in. As the title suggests, today I am going to be exploring Manas, which is a new Rust server that I really haven't played around with a lot before. But having a solid server written in Rust sounds like a fantastic idea. So hopefully everything is going well in terms of the stream. It looks like all the vitals are good. So let's get going. Hello, Benoit, is that what it is? Thank you for coming in. I'm excited to see you, and I'm excited to explore this server. So, let's get into it. So, this is the Manas server. I have never met Manomaya, but I am at least impressed with the cursory amount of work that I've seen here. Maybe it would be awesome to meet him at some point, but we're going to just deploy the server and see what it's all about. I've already gone ahead and made sure that I can run the server. Now, fair warning, I'm not fantastic with Rust. I know next to nothing about Rust, but I learned enough in order to actually get the server running. So let me go ahead and get the server running. This is Manas, and we'll just open up the code because I want to explore the code later, even though I don't know anything about Rust. We'll stumble through that. If anyone in the chat knows stuff about Rust, then that might be also cool to look into. Okay, so I do know that what we can do is we can do cargo run. I've already installed all the dependencies here. Oh, actually, it is cargo. I need to go into Manas server. cd Manas, or cd crates Manas server. Is this the actual one? Or I think that you need to go into recipes single fs whack. Recipes single fs whack. Okay, and I think this is where we run cargo run. If we run this, yes, it looks like no, that's not it. We need to let's see, control R, cargo run. All right. I did run this command before. Cargo run dash dash. Okay, well, I think it's cargo run dash 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 config, and then I did make a config here. Okay, /config.toml, and I think this runs the server. Here we go. Okay, the server is running now at localhost 3000. So it was relatively easy to set this up. The way that this project is structured, it has all of these crates. This is a big mono repo, a big Rust mono repo that contains all of the stuff that's needed for a solid server. Manas server in here in the project has these recipes, and these recipes combine different parts of these crates in order to run Manas server. So that they have two options, one for the file system and one to connect to S3. I opted for the file system just because that's the easiest to configure. So we and then it also just creates this data folder here, which has all of the data for our solid server. And at the moment, it looks like the only thing it has is this ACL file here that says that the owner is my profile on solidweb.me. Actually, I'm going to change this because I bricked that profile. If you look in the configuration here, then you can provide an owner. I change this to Jackson 3 and clear out the data. just because Jackson 3 is a profile. Oh, I'm getting a message having a problem maintaining the stream. Hopefully it looks good on your end. Let me know if it doesn't continue to work. So now that we've run that, I'm going to run it again. And it has